Hello friends, in the current video tutorial I am going to talk about SR and RS latch. Although they have the same functionality, but there is a little difference between them due to the different type of gates used to make SR and RS latch. A SR latch or set reset latch and a RS latch, which is reset set latch, are the same fundamental electronic component and is widely used in digital electronics and other electronics applications. The naming difference stems from how their inputs are labeled. They both function as basic 1-bit memory element using a pair of cross-coupled logic gates. SR latch uses cross-coupled NOR gates. RS latch uses cross-coupled NAND gates. In SR latch, when we set the input S to high, then output Q gets high. While in RS latch, when we set the set input high, the Q dash output gets high. So this is the main difference between set reset and reset set latch. As you can see, you can have an idea that what is the difference between set reset latch and reset set latch. The set reset latch, as previously mentioned, is made using the NOR gates, while the reset set latch is made using the NAND gates. So as you can see in the truth table, when the set input is set to high in the SR latch, the Q output gets high. When the reset input in SR latch is set to high, the Q dash output gets high. So this is set reset latch. When you set S equal to high, Q gets high. When you set R equal to high, Q dash gets high. And in RS latch, which is made using the NAND gates, the SR latch is made using NOR gates, RS latch is made using the NAND gates. So when you set the S input to high in RS latch, see Q dash is getting high. And when you reset, when you make the reset input R equal to 1 means high in RS latch, the Q output gets high. So this is the main difference between set reset latch and reset set latch. So that comes to the end of the video. I hope you have understood the concepts properly and you have liked this video. Thanks for watching this video and come again.